Okay. Mga mens, ang speaker natin sa gabing to po ay isang Sapphire Elite Executive ng isa siya sa mga Sapphire Elite Executives ng ating Team Galant. Then isa siyang noong 2021 iPad Hata 1 Achiever. Then Camaro Sports Car Achiever and the founder of Team Optimist. Mga mens, help me welcome our speaker for tonight, Mentor Janice Delantes. Virtual clap po tayo.
All right, amazing morning. Amazing morning sa lahat. Thank you so much, Mentor Ana Faye Diaz, for hosting. And of course, welcome sa Team Galant's Mastery Training for the week. So this is second day. Sino ang naka-attend yesterday? Meron ba? Ang iba busy. Isa na ako. Nagbibisi-bisihan. But anyway, amazing morning sa lahat at thank you sa pag-attend. Shout out ko muna of course ang Team Optimist, part dito si Mentor Dora Tan, Rodora Tan, also founding her own team, na growing team ang Team Precious with Mentor Arvin Pacifico. Thank you for joining us. Ayan, and of course, overall Team Galant, para sa buong Team Galant tong training natin. So, lalo na sa mga bago, especially Mentor Arvin na bago, no? Again, welcome sa I Am Worldwide. It's a Team Galant. Yes, definitely compensation plan, which is yung topic natin today, kailangan nating i-master. I know some of you may say na hindi kayo or hindi magaling sa math, right? Pero it's a business, kailangan nating matutunan talaga. So, it doesn't have to be na right away matutunan natin agad-agad, no? But through trainings, which is nagsimula din tayo na nag-a-attend ng training, natutunan din natin. Not just training, especially pagbago ka, I recommend na first 30 days mo na aralin talaga everyday, walang palya na mag-attend ka para matutunan mo lahat. Maraming topics na kailangang maatinan mo. Ginawa din natin yan kasi narinig natin yung isang mentor natin, and to mention Mentor TJ, no, na narinig ko sa kanya, first 30 days kailangang aralin yung business natin. So ginawa natin. So from there, naging foundation kasi natin na ang learnings, 'di ba? So once you nag-a-attend ka ng training talaga, that's your foundation kasi it's not just for you, no, not just para sa sarili mo na ma-learn yung business, but sa mga mapapa-join mo dito. Matuturuan mo kasi i-mentor mo yung sarili mo, by attending trainings, and then i-mentor mo, i-train mo din yung own team mo. Okay? So, wag lang natin na wait lang tayo sa mga mentors natin to train yung own team mo. Dapat ikaw din. Nagte-train ka talaga. Alright? So, ginawa natin yan sa Team Optimist. So, that's why we're growing. And down the line to Mentor Dora's team. Diba? Alright. So, shout out ko lang yung mga naka-attend or nandito sa Zoom natin real quick. Hi, Mints Eliza. Mints Chani. Hello po. Mints Emily, Mints Marivic, Mints Josie, and Mints Ruby Claudio. Hello, Mints. Thank you sa pag-attend. Alright, so I'll give you a minute. Kung wala pa kayong notepad or notebook to mag-take notes today kasi it's numbers numbers tayo ngayon, math tayo ngayon. So at least yung pinaka main thing na matutunan on each type of compensation plan is manote po natin. All right? Okay, so let me go ahead and share my screen. And let me make sure na Share screen tayo ng maayos. I'm checking my phone as well para hindi ako magtanong. Give me just a few moments here. All right. So yes, as mentor Anna Faye said, isa po tayo sa elite executives ng company. All right. And also, may mga elites na rin tayong na natulungan under ng Team Optimist, which is isa doon si Mentor Dora Tan. We have Mentor Maribeth Navarro, na Ruby, and then Mentor Janet from California, Mentor Dennis from California as well, and the Borjas, yung couple natin, no? So Mentor Evelyn and Mentor Edmund, and also Mentor Joseph from Michigan. So, mostly nasa ibang bansa. Isa pa lang nasa Pinas, no? Si Mentor Dora. All right. Okay, so let's see. I need talaga na makapag nasa screen kayo ngayon kasi I'm gonna have some questions mamaya. Just a checking na question sa inyo kung talagang naintindihan natin, no? Or yung questions ko mamaya may not be sa posters na makikita o sa screen ko na makikita nyo. It's like thinking outside the box din. Just to check yung understanding natin sa topic natin ngayon. All right, so ready na bang lahat? Can you type, I am ready? Ayan. Team Achievers. Hi, Miss Emily. Team Pledge. Wow, ang ganda ng team names. Ni Mentor Eliza ang Team Pledge. All right. Thank you, Miss Anna Faye. Ready na ba ang lahat? Ilan pa lang yung nakita ko, just to make sure. Okay. Thank you so much. And yes, continue. Isa din tayo sa 2021 Hatawan Achiever at that time. Ito yung same year na nakuha natin yung ating rank, no? So it's been a while. Building pa rin tayo ng mga leaders. And then isa din po tayo sa Car Achievers ng team. And may mga kumita na sa team natin. And millionaires na din, no? So this is a good thing sa business natin is as long as you have the passion na makatulong, not just sa income, which is yun talaga ang need natin. One of the priorities, most especially, is yung may matulungan din sa health, di ba? Yun yung advocate tayo sa health dito. All right, so now here are the 13 ways to earn ng IM Worldwide Corporation. Inano ko lang yan dahil meron tayong mga bago. So IM Worldwide Corporation yung name ng company natin. All right, so we have retailing, wholesale commission, sales match commission, infinity commission, check match, unilevel commission, residuals commission, or residual sales match commission, just for you, give me 5, unilevel leadership commission, project 001, meron tayong car, house and lot, travel incentives, and of course, in 13th is yung luxury incentive natin. All right, so you can screenshot, but if you also wanted to have a copy of this presentation, let me know. Generous tayo sa marami tayong mga PowerPoints na kailangan or talagang sinishare natin sa mga co-members natin, sa mga business partners natin. So let me know. All right, so first is direct selling. Direct selling is or yung pagbibenta. There are different ways sa pagbibenta, no? It's either manual kung meron ka ng stocks. And I'll show in a few slides yung other ways then. But here's direct selling. We have up to 50% off. We say up to, not just 50% off kasi some of our products are 30 to 40% lang. Okay, and we have that here. Make sure na meron kang chart. It's yung price list natin. And ito yung mga updated products natin. So make sure meron ka ding updated na price list ng products. As some of you may still have those old products na wala na sa atin. Okay? So ito yung mga latest talaga. So you can see SRP or suggested retail price. Ito yung price na binibenta natin. And then you as distributor na, ito yung price natin, yung DP for distributor's price. All right, so retailing, especially sa barley product natin, kung sa in peso or in Pinas na pricing, 1,000 pesos siya. So make sure meron din tayong kailangan nating i-follow yung pricing rules natin na bawal magbaba ng price. So 1,000 pesos, or you can price higher but never magbaba. Okay? So of course, we have a profit of 500 pesos. And the other way ng pagbibenta, we have e-commerce. So may may hindi pa ba alam yung e-commerce natin or yung online store natin dito? So we have a steps kung paano ma-access yung e-commerce natin. So I'm gonna show that real quick for the sake sa mga new members natin. All right, so magla-login ako sa account ko kasi I know ang iba hindi pa nakapunta doon, right? So let me see. Stop share screen pala ako. Just a sec. Okay. Oops, hold on. Dito pala. All right, so you can see here, and ito yung ating online website, right? Yung website natin sa company. So dito, ang login is, dito ka mag-login ng account mo to see, or kung may pay-ins ka, dito ka login. Itong e-com, ito yung online store natin, or yung ang e-commerce, it's one way na, let's say meron, pero ang e-com natin is para sa Pinas pa lang na mga clients. So, i-direct natin sila sa e-com para doon na sila bumili ng products. So, let's say, let me show you how to log in. So, here, so mag-login ka using your own online account. Yung user ID mo na nasa receipt mo nung nagkuha ka ng package. Right? So, pag nag-login ka, ganito mo lang siya i-send. Kumbaga, i-send mo lang yung link sa clients mo para doon na sila diretso sa online account mo. And pag bumili sila yung link na sinend mo, doon sila bibili ng products. And may mga information na need doon na kailangan nilang i-fill out. Okay? And automatically, pag dito sila bumili sa online store mo, yung profit mo, diretso sa e-wallet mo. So, kasama siya sa addition doon sa e-wallet or sa commission mo, diretso na sa online account mo. So, let's say meron kang bibili ng barley, right? So, i-send mo lang to, i-copy mo lang tong link and i-send sa kanila. Or you can put this on your online account. Ginawa ko na siya kanina para hindi ko na siya anuhin. So yan, let's say, yan, so say mag-post ka, then paste mo lang siya and then you add kung ano mang gusto mong i-note dyan. So just have them, pag kinlik nila yan, diretso yan sila sa account mo. So let's Gabi, demo to ngayon ha. Para lang additional. So yan, pag kinlik nila yung link mo, diretso yan sa account mo. And then they can see 1,000 pesos. And then add to cart. And then you can see may mga information na needed na lang. All right, so punta sila sa cart, and there you go. And check out. Tapos may mga information na then confirm, and then yan na. All right, so may mga information na i-fill out nila para ma-deliver. Kung may mga issues sa online account, then just let us know, or they can message yung ating sa office, or depende sa office. And the other way na bumili is, let me see, muna ako sa ating stop share ko lang muna. Alright, and the other way na the other way na magbenta is yung sa IBC, which is mag-message na lang either sa Messenger, which is normally yung mga IBCs natin, diretso na sa ating IBC, right? Or kung saang location. Or just simply ikaw na magbigay ng products. Basta make sure na meron kang stocks. Alright, so okay tayo sa e-com. Alright, so now, next natin is, and before we proceed to next, just make sure as distributors, no, dapat meron ka ng distributor's ID. Importante yan. Because we call ourselves na agent of hope, we're licensed or authorized distributor, so make sure meron kang ID. Kasi, kumbaga panlabanan natin yan sa mga competitors or yung mga nagbibenta ng mga lower price. And that's one thing na sasabihin natin sa ating clients na dapat sa legit distributor talaga sila bumili. And you show your ID. All right? So second way is wholesale promotional packages, or yung tinatawag natin na other term as direct referral commission. So 6 packages lang yung ino-offer natin sa market. So we have copper, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and jade packages. All right? So which is great kasi para sa lahat talaga, yung copper, bronze, or silver para sa students or sa mga kung depende sa budget, right? So now sa income, and we have this phrase na kailangan din nating i-share na the higher the package, the higher the commission. So kung ang income mo is depende sa package na kinuha mo at sa package na kukunin ng clients mo. Alright, so pag copper ka and may nag-copper na nag-join sa'yo, 500 pesos lang, or even meron lang akong slide na later papakita ko. But yes, pag bronze ka or bronze may nag-join sa'yo, 1,000. 1,500 for silver, gold is 3,500, platinum would be 9,000, and 20,000 naman pag jade. So yan, so depende sa package mo. Let's say you are copper. So just focus ka lang sa column ng copper. Right? So as you can see, if may nag-jade sa'yo, tas copper ka, instead of 20,000, 2,500 lang yung makukuha mo. Alright, so kung platinum, the same, 2,500, gold is 500, same sa bronze and silver. So pag bronze naman, dito yung column mo. So the higher the package, the higher the commission. So if you are copper or lower yung account mo, tapos may client ka na mag-join sa'yo, na alam mong mag-join na ng higher package, if you can, upgrade ka right away or before or the same day na mag-join yung client mo na kukuha ng higher package para makuha mo yung income na para sa income ng magjo-join sa'yo. Or let's say, from copper ka, may magjo-jade sa'yo, then if you can, upgrade to jade para makuha mo yung 20,000. And dapat yung account mo or upgrade account mo is mauna before sila mag-join. Okay? Para hindi masayang. Alright. And next natin, meron tayong sales match commission. So, ang system natin sa IAM Worldwide is binary. So, from the word buy, which is two, kailangan lang natin i-work out left and right team. Okay, so two teams. So, kung bago ka pa mag-join, you could have, or kung bago ka pa and you see na marami ng mga names under ng isang side mo, that just means na spill over yon from your top mentors, which is, that's the good thing dahil one account policy lang tayo. Walang ibang paglalagyan yung mentor mo na nagpa-join sa'yo, but just either sa side mo or sa kabilang side niya. Alright? So, just make sure na makapag-attend din kayo ng other trainings na nag-discuss ng compensation plan para at least ma-summarize mo yung, it could be na meron akong hindi ma-share dito na na-share ng ibang mentors na nag-train, di ba? Para makuha mo lahat. Kumbaga, ma-connect mo yung dots. That's why, that's the purpose ng 30 days kung bago ka pa na mag-attend ka ng many same topic na iba't ibang mentors para ma-summarize mo siya or ma-connect mo siya. Alright, so sales match commission, let's say, in order to have a sales match commission is you have to be a mover muna. Alright, ang pagiging mover, meron tayong requirements. So if you are associate package yung account mo, associate package yun yung copper, bronze, and silver. Yung lower packages natin. So wala siyang restriction. So any packages qualified for mover requirement. But pag gold, platinum, or jade ka, yun na yung kailangang bantayan. So kung gold package holder ka, you'll be mover any packages except copper. Pag platinum naman is except itong mga excess na to. So, again, let's say platinum ka. So, may nag-join sa'yo ng copper, bronze, or silver. Again, meron kang commission doon pero hindi ka pa mover. Until merong nag-join sa'yo na gold or platinum or jade na meron kang nalagay sa left and right. Okay, so mover meaning you need to have these qualified packages sa left and right mo. Okay? And then sa jade is platinum and jade lang. Now, kung nag-start ka sa lower packages, that's okay. But just make sure na mag-goal mo rin na makapag-upgrade ka. We have upgrade within 1 year lang, 2 times ka lang pwedeng mag-upgrade. So, let's say, you started as copper, and then nagkaroon ka ng financial breakthrough and gusto mong mag-upgrade. Let's say, nag-upgrade ka to silver, so meron ka pang one more time na pwede ka mag-upgrade. So, the next time, or the second time within your first year, nag-upgrade ka to either gold, platinum, or jade. Okay, so sa mga sa pag-upgrade, you just need to add additional. So let's say from copper to silver, copper is 5,600, no, na binayaran mo, nag-upgrade ka to silver. Silver is 16,800. So, yung kulang na lang yung babayaran mo. Alright? Pero, meron tayong and I'll show that in a few slides meron ako dito, na pag nag-upgrade ka from lower or associate package to, let's say, jade, different siya, which is hindi lang yung kulang, but I'll show you the amount later. So here, ang sales match, this is how it works. So let's say you're a Jade package holder. May nag-join sa'yo ng copper, nilagay mo sa left and right. So ang sales match ng copper is 500 pesos. But that's 250 each sa copper. Okay? So kung ang sales match, kung kailangan siya mag-pair. Alright, so from the word match, it has to be paired. So kung isa lang na side na may nag-join, even not just from you, but from other team, that add lang siya ng mag-add until na meron kang mapa-join sa kabila. Then that's the time na magkaroon ka ng sales match commission. Alright, so sa bronze naman is 1,000 yung sales match niya. Silver is 1,000 din. Gold is 3,000, 8,000 sa platinum. Jade is 10,000. Now, the question, paano kung different packages yung nag-join sa left and right? So let's say for this example, yung gold nag-join sa'yo sa left side mo. So ang sales match ng gold is 1,500. So you can see right here, right? So 1,500 lang. Now, may nag-join sa kabilang side mo na platinum. So that's good pa rin. Pero, ang ima-match lang yan is yung lower amount, which is yung sales match ng gold. So, kukunin lang na 1,500 dito sa platinum. Platinum is 4,000. So, 4,000 minus 1,500. So, 3,000 lang yung sales match mo. Alright? So, anong mangyayari sa remaining na 2,500? Ang mangyayari, magpipend lang yan. Magwi-wait yan until meron ka ulit may malagay sa kabila para mag-match ulit. Or mag-match. Yun ang kagandahan sa compensation plan natin sa I Am Worldwide, walang tapon. So magwi-wait lang siya. Unlike if you have an experience sa ibang company, merong restriction talaga. Mawawala yung pending mo. But here sa I Am Worldwide, and that's the reason marami rin talang kumita. Dahil sa generosity ng company, no, hindi natatapon yung pinaghirapan mo. So that's why it's worth it na talagang i-work out si I Am Worldwide. No? All right, so next. So meron tayong feasibility or yung it's like an estimate or projection sa sales match natin. So for this example, this is sa platinum. So let's say sa first month na nag-join ka, let's say nag-join ka January. So sales match mo is 26,000 kasi, di ba, ang direct referral commission natin sa platinum is 9,000, right? So meron kang 9,000 sa left, 9,000 sa right. So that's a total of 18,000. Now meron, dahil may napa-join kang dalawang platinum, meron kang additional na sales match. Sales match ng platinum is 8,000. So that's why it's a total of 26,000. Now, the second month, let's say wala ka nang napa-join. Pero, yung dalawa mong napa-join, may napa-join din silang dalawa. So, ang nangyayari, 16,000 na lang. Kasi let's say platinum lahat nag-join, di ba? Wala ka ng referral commission, but you have the sales match commission. So, dalawang nag-sales match sa'yo dito. So, 8,000 ang sales match ng platinum. So that's why since dalawang sales match ka dito sa month na to, meron kang 16,000 pesos. And so on. Okay, so for feasibility or estimate ng puro platinum nag-join, in 1 year, so there's like 16,000 or 16 million na for sales match alone lang, hindi pa kasama yung ibang other ways to earn. So sales match lang to. Alright? So same if Jade package holder ka, estimation if like let's say Jade nag-join lahat, 41 million naman. And then gold is 12 million and then silver package is 4 million. Right? So next. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na upgrade. So let's say you joined platinum. Tapos gusto mo mag-upgrade within your first year to Jade, ang gagawin mo na lang is hindi yung idadagdag yung kulang. Okay? So, kasi yung jade is 198,000 pesos. Platinum is 112. Pero idadagdag mo na lang 100,000. So, again, sa upgrade, meron ka ring products na makukuha just like yung nag-join ka. Alright? And then, let's say gold package holder ka and you want to upgrade sa jade kasi yung jade account natin is napaka-special. Kailangan kung mag-jade ka is recommended na mag-jade ka agad. No? So, mag-jade ka agad. And when you magkuha ka ng jade package right away, meron kang free products. That's one of the benefits ng jade. Pero kung upgrade ka, wala na siyang free. Yung makukuha mo na lang is yung kung magkano yung binayad mo or dinagdag mo. So for gold to jade, 180,000 pesos yung idadagdag mo. And then kung associate package, copper, bronze, or silver, hindi ka magdadagdag lang ng kulang, but you still have to pay the same amount ng jade, which is 198,800. So that's why special yung jade natin. No? So ang ibig sabihin, mas malaki tuloy yung nailabas mo. Right? Kung nag-start ka sa associate packages. So that's why we recommend every time na meron tayong IBP or business presentation, nire-recommend natin na mag-jade agad. If not, of course, depende sa budget then, which we do understand naman, di ba? Pero just to let them or explain them kung anong magiging benefit pag nag-jade sila agad or kung ano yung disadvantage din. Alright? Meron pa ba tayong questions? But again, sa questions, you can jot it down for now, or you can put it in the chat para may mga top mentors din tayong welcome na mag-answer sa chat. Or later after ko mag-discuss. Pag-usapan natin. Alright. So, talking about upgrade, kung hindi ka pa, or kung wala ka pang budget for your upgrade, what you can do is mag-rank up or yung palakihin yung account mo, which is meron lang, talagang need lang ng effort mo. Okay, so let's say nag-start ka sa copper, meron lang siyang mga dapat mong ipa-join within a month. So ang rank up natin is within a month siya dapat na i-hit. So kung copper ka, if may napa-join ka within a month na 3, rank up ka or mag-level up yung account mo to bronze. Kung 5 naman ang napa-join mo, then silver ka. If 8 ang napa-join mo, within a month plus merong nag-mover left and right, then gold, magiging gold yung account mo. Alright? Pag bronze ka naman, in a month kung merong 3, silver ka, gold is 5 naman yung kailangan. Alright? So sa may mga team na dito, we can help our team members na either kung, I know minsan we think like 5 in a month, sobrang dami and need ng malaking effort, di ba? What we can do just to simplify yung rank up nila, we can have them do it every month, like 3. So let's say copper sila, ipag-goal mo sila na mag-3 in a month, and then the next month, para mag-silver, so let's say copper to bronze, 3 lang need nila. Then pag bronze na sila the next month, ipag-goal mo ulit na mag-3 sila para mag-silver. And then the same thing, the next month naman, is yung 3 ulit para mag-gold. Okay? Kasi goal natin sa team natin na maging executive yung account nila. Why? And executive accounts again is yung mag-gold, platinum, and jade. And just real quick, yung titanium, hindi natin siya minamarket as package, pero part pa rin siya ng rank up. So merong nag-rank up sa team natin na titanium yung account niya, but it's because of through the rank up way. And the reason why we need our account to be executive para ready ka na for your goal to become elite executive, like becoming sapphire, ruby, and higher rank. Okay, kailangan muna na mag-executive yung account mo through upgrade or rank up. Again, if you have or get with your direct mentor kung paano mag-sapphire, andito yung requirements natin. Okay, andito yung requirements natin. Also, we can do one-on-one para ma-explain, lalo na kung goal mo na for the next month or this month na mag-executive. All right? And why mag-rank up to executive? Para hindi lang sa privilege na maging known sa company, but for higher income. Diba? Ma-maximize yung 13 ways to earn natin. Yun yung main goal kung bakit ka mag-rank up. One of the main goals. Now, next naman is Infinity Commission. May question po ba so far?
And
Okay naman.
Janice, may question ako. Okay
Yes,
lang.
go ahead po.
Yeah, di ba sa upgrade twice ka lang a year pwedeng mag-upgrade? Sa ranking up, wala bang limit within the year kung hanggang kung pwedeng ilang ranking?
Good question. Thank you. Si Miss Arvin ba yun?
Yes,
Okay.
Janice.
Yes, so sa upgrade, yes, within 1 year, 2 times. Ang rank up is within a month. So let's say, ano po yung account nyo, Miss Arvin, if you don't mind me asking?
Silver package.
Silver, okay. So let's say mag-upgrade, mag-rank up ka to gold, which is, yes, let's say mag-rank up ka to gold. So from silver, ang kailangan mo lang is 3. Let's say i-goal mo siya next month, December. 3 lang yung need mo next month within December.
Anong package yun, Janice? 3 silver din?
Since silver ka, any packages.
Alright.
Kahit 3 copper yan na mapa-join mo next month, then gold na yung magiging account mo.
And then the following month, pwede pa rin mag-rank kung sakali. Yan, gold ka na, tapos para mag-platinum ka the following month, pwede pa rin siya.
Yes, every month ang ranking natin. So let's say gold na yung account mo. Now, dito ka na. So need mo na lang ng 3 ulit the next month para either titanium or platinum yung account mo. Pero yung pag-platinum, kailangan siya executive yung mapa-join mo. So kung goal mo mag-platinum after mong mag-gold, let's say 5 gold mapa-join mo para mag-platinum yung account mo. Or 5 platinum or 5 jade or combination of gold, platinum, and jade na 5.
Yes, Janice, before you go to the next ways to earn, pagka ranking up, di ba, hindi mawawala ni yung just for you, kung sakaling silver ako, kung sakaling nag-rank up ako, di ba, hindi kasi nila kasali yung sa pag nag-gold ako, hindi na ako makakasali sa just for you. Tama ba?
Correct. Kasi kung silver ka, hindi ka pa qualified for just for you. So, ang gawin mo para makuha mo yung just for you, mag-upgrade ka muna bago mo mapa-join yung mga executives mo. Mag-upgrade ka to at least gold. Para...
Yes, pero kung nag-rank up na ako ng gold, hindi na ako qualified, mag-gold na ako, nag-rank up na ako, hindi na ako qualified sa
Great,
di ba?
great question, Arvin. So
Mm,
kapag rank up ka lang to gold, hindi ka qualified for just for you. Qualified ka for just for you, which is I'm going to go over later sa slides sa just for you section. Qualified ka sa just for you bonus kapag ang account mo is paid or upgraded to gold or higher account. So kung rank up ka lang from silver to gold, which is yung ibang like 3 na napa-join mo, no, hindi ka qualified for just for you. If it's through rank.
pero pero kung pasok ako sa Gimified kasi since silver ako
yes,
yung
Gimified, yes.
yung paid.
Dahil silver account.
Okay.
Yes. You got
All
it.
right, thanks.
Yes
Okay.
po. All right, thank you sa questions. All right, so next tayo. Infinity commission from the word infinite. So walang hangganan, just it works like sa sales match, but different siya. Ang infinity lang is it will start or every first two mag-start sa pangatlo mong na direct. So let's say sa pangatlo mong direct is na silver. So may nag-join sa silver, third referral mo na dalawa, meron kang infinity, but it doesn't have to be na mag-wait ng match sa, let's say, let me show a, 1 second. Let's see kung makapag, okay, draw. Okay, so let's say ikaw to, and then may napa-join ka ng tatlo, okay? Kita naman yung screen ko, no? Nasa ibabaw. So let's say yung pangatlo mong DR is ito. Mag-start sa pangatlo mong DR, so itong third referral mo, nagdalawa din siya, meron ka ng sales match dyan. I mean, infinity commission. Pero hindi siya, it doesn't have to mag-wait sa pair niya. Kahit ito pa lang nag-start or kahit isa pa lang napa-join ng third direct mo, meron ka ng infinity commission dyan. So unlike sa sales match, di ba mag-wait pa ng match niya? Dito, it doesn't have to be. So as long as meron nang napa-join starting sa third mo, meron ka ng infinity commission. Alright? And again, yung infinity commission natin is, ito, pag copper, 250 siya, isa. So pag dalawa yan, 500. And then bronze, 500 each. So you have 1,000 pag nag-pair. And then same sa silver. And then gold is 1,000 or magiging 2,000 yan pag pair. No, or dalawang napa-join. And then platinum is 4,000, jade is 6,000. Okay? All right. So let me... Okay. All right, so move on tayo. Okay, so from third to fourth and ongoing na directs mo, infinity na yan, walang hangganan na infinity commission. Alright, so ito yung, ang infinity commission is isa sa magandang kitaan talaga na from there, just infinity commission alone, you could earn 1 million basta tuloy-tuloy yung mga nagjo-join sa team mo. Now, next is check match commission. Check match naman, percentage yung makukuha mo. Kung copper package ka, wala kang check match commission. So make sure na upgrade yung account mo or rank up to higher package or account. Okay? So let's say ang check match commission percentage yung makukuha mo from the sales match commission ng direct mo, ng mismong direct mo, hindi direct ng direct mo. Okay? So, kailangan, this is one thing na kailangan or need natin na marami tayong directs dahil din sa check match. So, let's say, meron kang isang direct mo na nag-sales match na siya ng 105,500 pesos. So, kung yung account mo, let's say, or kung ang account mo is bronze or silver, meron kang 5% sa 105,500 niya. And then kung gold ka naman, 8% naman yung makukuha mo sa sales match niya. Platinum and Jade is 10%. Alright, so hindi siya kinukuha sa sales match ng directs mo, but it's this check match commission mo is definitely coming from the company. Alright. So next is give me 5 commission. So give me 5 commission, just like kay Ms. Arvin kanina, qualified siya sa give me 5 dahil silver yung account niya. And yes, qualified ka lang sa give me 5 commission if your account is silver package or higher. Okay, so it has to be paid silver or higher rank, not just rank up. So let's say nag-join ka as copper and then nag-upgrade, let's say your original account is copper, tapos nag-rank up ka to silver, rank up lang. So kung rank up lang, hindi ka qualified for Give Me 5. It has to be na either upgrade ka or paid package yung original account mo is silver. Okay? So ang kailangan lang dito, meron kang mapa-join na 5 silver para meron kang Give Me 5 commission. Okay, so you have direct referral each, sales match, plus additional na bonus, which is 15,000 sa Give Me 5 commission. Unlimited siya, which means that you can do it every week na meron kang, let's say, 5 silver every week na napa-join mo. Then every week you have the Give Me 5 commission. And meron din tayong just for you bonus. This one naman is exclusive sa gold, platinum, and jade only account or yung upgraded account or nag-upgrade ng account to gold, platinum, and jade. So ang kailangan naman dito, kung ang Give Me 5 kailangan ng 5, dito 4 lang. So 4 na gold or 4 na platinum or 4 na jade or a combination. So let's say gold ka, so may napa-join kang 4 na gold. Again, meron kang direct referral and sales match. So with that, meron ka ng 20,000 plus additional na just for you bonus, which is the gold is 40,000 pesos. Okay, so meron kang 60,000 on your first 4 na gold packages na nag-join sa'yo. Much higher makukuha mong just for you if yung account mo is platinum. So kung platinum account holder ka, each of them na nag-join sa'yo na platinum, may 9,000 pesos each ka. Plus the sales match na 8,000 per sales match. And additional just for you ng platinum is 100,000. Shout out kay Mentor Dora Tan as she's one of our just for you sa platinum achiever. Alright, so sa first 4 platinum mo, meron kang balik na 152,000. And again, it's also unlimited and no time frame, meaning you can do this every week. 4 every week. And same process sa jade, 4 lang din. So 20,000 each kung jade package holder ka. And then sales match na 10,000 per match. And then additional 200,000 pesos na bonus. Okay? All right. So ang laki ng bonuses natin, 'di ba? So kailangan natin talagang upgrade or rank up. Pero walang rank up sa jade. Okay? Sa mga over 1 year na, yes, wala nang upgrade for over 1 year, but depende kapag nag-offer si IAM Worldwide ng window of opportunity na pwede ka makapag-upgrade. That's the only time na makapag-upgrade yung mga more than a year na hindi pa jade. Okay? All right. So, next natin. Okay, so meron tayong improved na jade. I know para sa mga bago kasi dati, voucher tayo. So wala nang voucher. Ang ginagawa na lang sa Jade ngayon, which is beneficial sa mga magja-Jade dahil meron kang 50 boxes of barley if option 1 yung kinuha mo na free. So, you have a total of 250 boxes. Kasi normally, 200 boxes lang yung makukuha mo pag nag-Jade ka. Again, if upgrade ka to Jade, wala nang free. Only sa mga mag-Jade agad ang merong free products. Ayan, alright. So, alam na natin yung feasibility ng Just For You bonus, apat-apat lang. Okay, so next natin is, give me one sec, is unilevel commission. Unilevel commission, para magkaroon ka nito, you have to mag-maintenance or mag-reorder ng at least 3 boxes of barley or yung products na merong or products na a total of 300 points. So, pagdating sa points, let's see, baka meron ako dito. Ayan, meron, wala pala. But it's the, okay. So, ang points, I should have, so ang points, ang barley natin, meron siyang 100 points. So, that's why 3 boxes of barley. Yung, let's say, yung Immunergy natin, 20 points lang yon. So, ibig sabihin, 15 boxes of Immunergy, kasi 20 each times 15, so meron kang 300 points. Diba? So, not just 3 boxes of any products, but 300 points na product para to have that 300,000 points for Unilevel. So, ito naman, meron tayong level. So, first level is yung own direct mo. Second level is yung direct nito, ng first mo. And then, so on. Direct ng direct. Okay, so, let's say, Unilevel commission, meron kang 1% or 5 pesos each box of barley na makukuha mo kapag at least bumili ka ng or nag-reorder ka ng products. Okay, so, and then, yung levels na makukuha mo is depende sa account mo or package mo. So, if you are a copper package, hanggang level 2 ka lang. Meaning, meron kang Unilevel commission sa first, sa mga own directs mo, and then sa mga nag-reorder sa level 2 mo. So, kung elite ka na, so you can have Unilevel commission up to 10 levels mo. So, meaning yung mga directs mo na nag-reorder, meron kang makukuha dun na percentage sa kanila. Alright, so this is one indication din na kailangan nating mag-rank up or yung malaki yung account natin para ma-maximize yung income. Okay? So, ayan. So, wala kang Unilevel commission if hindi ka nag-reorder. So, i-practice mo na reorder talaga, mag-maintenance every month para meron kang Unilevel commission. Alright, so ito yung requirements natin. Again, minimum 300 Unilevel points. The reason for that is para to remain your account active as distributor. And then kung 5 but recommended dito is to the 600 or depende sa goal mo talaga. Okay, kung let's say 5 barley yung maintenance mo, lalo at YEP ka, YEP is yung Youth Empowerment Program, yung mga kabataan natin ages 16 to 24, it's to remain active for them at para kung nag-earn sila ng malaking income, masali din sila sa top YEP movers natin. And then, Pag 6 boxes of barley naman, is masali ka sa, qualified ka automatically sa Project 0001 natin, which is yung electronic draw na mananalo, isang tao na nanalo, monthly draw natin. Like last time is about 4 million na, di ba? So, ang laki. So, mag-reorder ka lang ng 6 na barley, automatically kasali ka sa Project 001 natin. Pag 900 naman or 9 boxes of barley, kasali kung gusto mo maging part ng top movers natin dun sa pinopost ni I Am Worldwide, yung mga top movers monthly, then you have to mag-maintenance or mag-reorder ng 9 boxes of barley or at least 900 points na products. Okay? And then kung gusto mong mag-sapphire, make sure na the month na mag-sapphire ka, nakapag-maintenance ka din. That's one of the requirements, na at least 4 boxes of barley. And then, depende sa goal mo na rank, ito yung kailangan mo na i-maintenance. So, kung magruruby ka, 8 boxes of barley, emerald, 12 boxes of barley, diamond, and so on. Okay, so pag mag-rank up ka, make sure naka-maintenance ka din. Now, if you ask kung paano kung hindi ka mag-maintenance? So, actually, parang hindi na to nangyayari kasi even months ka nang hindi na, this one is sa purpose ng spillover, yung mga pending spillover mo, yung amount sa one side mo dahil maraming nag-join sa one side mo. Like, example for this one, meron na siyang 1,191,900 na points na pending, which means na itong account holder na to, kailangan niya lang magpa-join sa kabilang side o yung team niya sa left side is may mapa-join din para meron siyang, para mabawasan to for the sales match commission. So let's say ganito nakalaki yung pending RQV mo, RQV yung tawag nito, or no, the balance. No, yung balance lang to, which means na ang dami nang nag-join sa kabilang side mo. So, convertible to cash ito. So, let's say 3 months, hindi ka nag-maintenance, mawawala 25% nito. Kung 6 months, half naman mawawala dito. 9 months, 25% lang yung maiiwan. Kung 12 months ka nang hindi active, hindi nag-reorder, mawawala tong spillover na to, which is sayang. No? Kailangan nating mag-maintain dahil para hindi ito mawala. Kasi all you need to do para makuha mo to is i-work out mo lang yung kabilang side mo para meron kang sales match commission. No? Pero again, wag lang nating isipin na hindi naman nawawala na yung spillover, but still, i-practice pa rin natin na mag-maintenance every month. Because you never know, di ba? To be on a safe side, maintenance every month. Alright, now ito yung nabanggit ko kanina, IAM 001 or Project 001 na tinatawag na kailangan mo lang bumili ng 6 barley or 600 points na products natin para qualified sa Project 001, which is pag ang name mo ang nabunot, mananalo ka ng Project 001 natin. Again, last event, yung latest Project 001 natin, umabot na ng almost 4 million. So when it started, like 100,000 pesos lang. Ngayon, more than 3 million to up to 4 million na yan for sure next event, di ba? So again, this is a best practice din na 6 na boxes of barley or 600 points para masali sa Project 001. All right, and okay. Now, residual sales match naman tayo. I know nabanggit ko yung sales match commission kanina. That was sales match per packages na nagjo-join. Dito naman sa residual sales match per products na mag-match. So let's say may nag-reorder sa'yo na 200 boxes of barley sa right mo and 200 boxes na barley sa left side mo, then meron kang additional na income which is 2,000 pesos. So let's say meron kang 1,000 boxes reorder sa left and right, then times 5 yan, so meron kang 10,000 pesos. Diba? Kasi per 200 boxes, left and right na nag-match, meron kang 2,000 additional. But in order to have residual sales match commission, kailangan yung maintenance mo or reorder mo, bilhin mo siya ng the first week of the month or from the 1st to the 7th day of the month. So another practice din yan na kung mag-reorder ka, kailangan sa first week of the month. Okay? Alright, so residual sales match commission yan. Ayan. So ito yung sinasabi kong points kanina. So balikan natin to. So sabi ko, di ba, yung active to remain your account active, kailangan 300 points. So kailangan mong i-check dito kung ilang points yung product na gusto mong i-reorder. So yung barley natin, or let's say, let's start sa first, ang acai berry has 100 points. That's good. So ibig sabihin, 3 boxes every month kung yan ang tinitake mo para to remain active, or 6 boxes para sa masali ka sa Project 001. So maraming 100 points dito each box. Ang Garcinia Cambodia, ang barley powder, or 3 choco barley, 3 coffee mix with tongkat ali. Or you can do capsule na barley, 200 na siya. So ibig sabihin, dagdag ka na lang ng isang box na powder para 300 points ka na. So, ganyan lang. Or wala na tayong scalar pendant. So, just make sure na updated ka sa mga new products natin. Okay, so dito mo lang siya i-check yung points na kailangan for the maintenance purposes. And then sa product points, ito yung sa residual sales match commission. So, just to simplify at hindi ko na kayo ma-confuse, is sa residual sales match commission, as long as merong 200 boxes na barley, meron kang 2,000 pesos na commission. Alright? So leadership commission natin, leadership unilevel commission, yung complete, name ng type of compensation plan. This is for yung mga nag-rank up na to elite. Yung Sapphire higher lang na magkakaroon nito. So kung Sapphire ka, yung first direct mo, let's say meron kang 40 directs na unilevel commission, na merong unilevel commission, meron kang 20% sa unilevel income nila. Kung Ruby ka, meron kang 20% sa first level mo, tapos meron ka pa makukuha ang additional na 10% sa referral nila. O yung second level mo. And then emerald hanggang 3rd level ka, diamonds hanggang 4th level naman. So kanina yung unilevel commission hanggang 10 levels, di ba? Dito 4 lang, depende sa rank mo. Alright, so again, itong percentage na makukuha mo is from sa unilevel income nung direct mo. Okay? Alright. So, ayan. Okay, so 12 na tayo. Malapit na. Okay pa ba? Kaya pa ng utak. Alright, so lifestyle incentives. Again, meron tayong lifestyle incentives like travel, free car. No, free car is yearly yan, which is from the day na nag-start ka sa I Am Worldwide, and every anniversary, kung every year nakukuha mo yung requirements, then meron kang possible free car every year. So, need lang ng effort and commitment. And then travel, nag-announce si I Am kapag merong free travel from I Am Worldwide, kasi ngayon, mostly yung mga teams na malalaking teams ang nagbibigay ng free travel, diba? And shout out sa ating mentor Maribeth na isa sa nakakuha na rin ng free travel to Hong Kong. And si Mentor Dora ang nakapunta. Wow. Pwede siyang either transfer, right, Mentor Dora? And of course, si Mentor Maribel. Ang daming travel-free incentives na nakuha na rin niya. Of course, palakpakan naman natin yung ating mother mentor Maribel. Diba? Yung tinitingala natin, tayo naman ang sunod. Ayan, so ito yung mga recent travels sa Europe, Japan, Singapore, ang dami na. No? And then sa YEP natin, meron din silang different or separate na requirements sa pag-hit ng lifestyle incentive or yung free car. Mas lower yung requirements nila kasi mga bata pa, di ba? And then pag age 24 and higher is malaki na yung requirements. Alright, so ito yung sa atin na mga ages 24 and above. So first, real quick lang nito, no? Ano na lang natin, meron pa naman tayong time. So kung first level, kailangan mag-sapphire ka. Kailangan meron kang 630,000 paired RQV, which means 630,000 RQV left and 630,000 RQV sa right din na mag-match. So that's what paired means. So kailangan both merong same RQV. And RQV is yung pumasok na mga nag-join sa'yo in that year. Yung mga packages na nag-join. So, yes, ang laki, 630,000. So that's why mga builders dito, we need to build more and more dahil para makuha yung level na yan. Kasi hindi biro, ang laki niyan, di ba? So, which means kailangan ng team. And then to higher level na, pwede nang sa our sports or supercar or property yung kukunin. Pwede naman siyang ma-convert. May requirements na tayo dyan. Okay? Alright, and luxury incentive, yung last natin. Si I Am Worldwide, lalo na pag nag-diamond, meron ka makukuha na necklace, ring, and then jacket. Diba? Sa mag-diamond or mag-million-dollar income earner. So, yun yung future natin na naghihintay. So, ano lang tayo? Laban pa rin ang laban. Alright, so lifestyle incentives achiever. Ito yung mga nakakuha ng free car na level 2 yung na-reach nila, level 4. No, grabe, ang lalaki na ng team nila. So, I guess yun lang. So, thank you mga men sa pag-stay until now. Just wanted to share this last but not the least na kailangan nating isama sa business natin. Yung Matthew 6:33, but seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things will be added to you. So wag not just being mabuting tao, but doing the right thing, lalo na sa business natin yung kailangan natin gawin para maging successful tayo sa ginagawa natin. Diba? Alright, so yan lang. Thank you so much sa pakikinig. And this is Janice Delentes. I am worldwide.